Hello, my friend. My name is Amir. I'm talking with you from the ST Center. We are the official KNX training center. Today, I would like to talk about the Dolly gateway from the Elsner Elektronik. So with this device, you can make the connection between the KNX and Dali in a right way. Please consider it. I hope you enjoy it. There are many details that we are going to cover it in this video. Please let me know if you have any questions about it. I try to provide you the right answer in a short time. Thank you so much. So now I'm going to talk about the Dolly Actuators from Elsner Elektronik. You can find this product under the KNX actuator or KNX gateway interface input in a Elsner Elektronik website. This actuator is coming with 4 outputs, and each output has a relay with 16 ampere capacity, and you can control 64 ballast in each output. It's quite powerful ones in the market. So in a function part, you can see the technical overview of this device. Apart from what I say about 464 Dali ballast that are possible to control with this device, you can see it has all Dali participants of a channel are controlled with a common signal whereby individual addressing is not possible. So the individual address is not possible. It means in each channel you cannot say, okay, I control the address number 1, I control the address number 2 in different way, I control the address number 3 in different way. No, the whole of the channel is controlled with the same command. There are buttons on it to control by hand in an electrical cabinet. It has a minimum switch on delay from relay to relay. It means when several channels are switched on simultaneously, this ensures that the switch on current of EVGs, or that bolus of the Dali, is distributed over time and thus limited. Also, you can control the color temperature control, and you can control the RGB or RGBW color control. You can define a scene in ETS. You will receive all the feedback or status through the objects in real time, and also there is a timer function in this device. In a technical overview, the IP environment of this device is 20. Okay, so it should be placed in some safe place inside of the building. It can operate at a temperature of -20 to +50. Apart from the 10 milliamp that we needed to choose the right power supply, because it should be connected to the KNX line, the red and black wire. It should be directly connected to the 230 volt AC power from the utility or from the main electrical cabinet. And then I can say it can assign with maximum 254 group addresses. If you need any more information, always you can go to the download and download the datasheet and manual plus the latest application program. In a database, in a data sheet of this device, of course, there are some key information. But first of all, you can see there's two types of isolation in this module. First of all, between the line and null of the utility and the output of this system, there is a insulation of 6 kilovolt. Also between the Dali network and the 230 volt for each channel, there is a insulation of 4 kilovolts. The next important things is when you wiring this device, you will wire the main 230 volt AC from the utility and node, and then there is a bridge between the node and line to the channel A, and then all the node, and then you can bridge it very easily with the wire, and then you power up all the 4 channels. So it's quite easy to do. And of course you can see the wiring for EVG or Dali ballast directly for each channel. The Dali plus and Dali minus is connected. Then you can see that the output of the relay is connected, and the node can be connected here or to the node of the city. On each module, you have some manual push button to control it manually. So you can control the switch the relay on off and see the status by one LED, and then also it is possible to dim it through the Dali by this module and see the status with the LED. So there is short operation and long operation also here to do it. And if you have any questions about the programming, always you can go to the manual. It has a quite good manual. You can see all the parameter and group objects that is generated according to your parameter setting. And if you have any question, you can go through it. And if you have any more question, you can always call me to provide you the right answer. So let's go for ETS overview. In ETS, in a first page, general setting, you can see the traffic control of the data here. And apart from this, you can see the minimum switch on delay from relay to relay that you can increase it here. I'll leave it as a default. Then here you can see you can enable these 4 Dali. And if I enable the first channel of the Dali, and if I go through it, you can see the delay Dali bus voltage. We can provide needed data here. Also, you can change the activation curve of the dimming. So here, for example, if the KNX bus value is 1, the correspond to the lamp is 30%. If the KNX bus value is 20%, the correspond to the lamp is 50%. And if the KNX bus value is 100, correspond to the lamp is 100. So from this, you can change it according to what you see in the project. About the brightness control, you will do everything about the brightness. For example, you can assign the switch behavior about the on-off, or the time that the dimming is long to the end. For example, 5 seconds from 0 to 100. Maybe you want to increase it because of some artificial lighting. And more here. Also, we have here operating mode. You can choose between normal to night mode or staircase lighting or some combination of that. And if you put to the night mode, then you will receive some group objects that the night mode is activated, and also you can provide the set point for the night mode. In a color control, you can use the objects to control the color, like color temperature. RGB or RGBW to control it. In a scene, for each channel, you have 8 scenes. It's possible to define it in ETS. And if I go here, you can see for each Dali, we have on-off status, percentage, set point, and many other group objectives that you can use to control the channel of Dali ballasts. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in next session.